Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Bose does not support direct stereo linking between SoundLink Color speakers. This limitation applies to both the original and Color Roman II models. You cannot create a true left-right stereo pair using only the speaker's native Bluetooth. The only practical solutions are external devices. You must either use a dual-output Bluetooth transmitter that pairs with both speakers simultaneously, or use a physical stereo cable splitter from your audio source. This short explanation sets the expectation before we move into setup steps. Choose a Bluetooth transmitter that explicitly supports two simultaneous connections. Look for transmitters advertising dual pairing. aptX low latency is helpful for sync. Place both SoundLink Color speakers within 30 feet of the transmitter for reliable audio. Power the transmitter and put it into pairing mode before the speakers. Put each speaker into Bluetooth pairing one at a time and connect them to the transmitter. Confirm both speakers play the same channel and adjust volume on each speaker for balanced sound. If you prefer wired audio, use a stereo splitter cable from your source headphone jack. Choose a quality stereo Y-splitter that preserves left and right channels. Connect the single 3.5 male plug to your phone, laptop, or music player output. Then insert the two 3.5 male plugs into each SoundLink Color aux input securely. Power on both speakers and play audio from the source. Adjust volumes on each speaker for balanced left-right sound and verify there is no channel swap.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.